How to turn on Save Search filter in Google Chrome. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, launch a Chrome browser on your device over here. Make sure you're logged into your account, and as you're logged into your account, tap on your three dotted lines at the top right corner. Here, select on Settings over here, and as you tap on Settings, scroll down. As you scroll down, you can see the option of Privacy and Security, so tap on it. Now scroll down again, and under the Security category, you can see the option of Safe Browsing. So tap on it, and here you can see these three options: Enhanced Protection, Standard Protection, and No Protection. So right now it's toggled on for No Protection, but what we want to do is tap on Enhanced Protection. So this will just save us or protect us against dangerous sites, downloads, and extensions that's based on our browsing data getting sent to Google. So as you do that, you can just go back and you have turned on Save Search filter in Google Chrome. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.